Hi, this is Shelley Kraft, and we're coming to you live on SNN Live. We're at the FSX Conference in New Orleans. I'm here with Douglas Jamison of Harris & Harris Group, Inc., a public company, and the symbol is TINY, T-I-N-Y, but by no means is this company tiny. Welcome to SNN Live.
Thank you very much. Pleasure to be here.
Okay, let's get right into Harris & Harris. Tell me about it.
Harris & Harris Group is a publicly traded venture capital firm. We invest in early stage companies that their technologies are enabled by nanotechnology or microsystems. By being an early stage venture capital firm, we allow public market investors to invest in venture capital. We are transparent and we are liquid.
So let me get this straight. You have money, you invest it, and your upside is shared with your investors in your company.
Yes, we invest in these startup companies. We usually exit them via initial public offerings or IPOs and M&A transactions. When we do, if we have a gain, we either pass that out as a distribution or we reinvest a portion of that long-term capital gains back into the company for growth.
What do you look for? What's the key points? Because I can ask you that. What makes you make your decision as to where you put your money?
So first of all, we are the leaders investing in nanotechnology-enabled companies. So we look for companies that have transformative technology enabled at the nanoscale that we believe will impact the next generation of multi-billion-dollar markets. What we look for in our companies is we look for exciting technology that is proprietary or protected. We look for great management teams that have done it, been successful in the past. We look for other very good syndicate partners, as well as it often takes multiple groups and a lot of money to build these technology companies to success.
Obviously, nanotechnology is your sweet spot. When you look at a company, how much money do you normally say you're going to put into any one particular situation?
We invest $5 to $7 million over the life of our investments. We sometimes start as small as a couple $100,000 at the early stage, and then we invest with them right through that process.
As an expert in your field, what is the climate of what's going on in your sector of the public markets in nanotechnology?
Well, we think, first of all, most of the exciting companies are still private, although recently you've seen a few of them go public. A company in our portfolio, Solazyme, NASDAQ SZYM, just had a very successful public offering. Our $5 million investment is worth over $50 million today. A company earlier in the year, Neophotonics, New York Stock Exchange, NPTN, recently went public as well. You're starting to see the first of these private companies exit or be sold, and I think you're going to see more to come in the coming years.
Sounds to me like you're having a good year.
It's been a good year for us thus far. We sold two companies. We sold a company, BioVex, to Amgen for up to $1 billion, which was a very nice return. Solazyme's IPO was very good. We sold another company just recently, Novolite, to DuPont. So it has been a very good year for us. The IPO windows have been open. Big corporations have understood the value of nanotechnology, and we think this is just the beginning. There's a lot ahead of it in the development of nanotechnology over the next decade.
What is your background?
My background is undergraduate work in physics, undergraduate work in biochemistry. My graduate work is in economics. I went to a small school in New Hampshire called Dartmouth College. The reason they let me speak out here is the rest of my team are all PhD scientists. They're PhD chemists, PhD physicists. So I'm the dumb one that they send out to speak. They're doing all the hard work.
Did you buy that tie on your own, or did you have someone go out and buy it for you?
This is my New Orleans tie for Mardi Gras.
Ladies and gentlemen, TINY, a publicly traded company. Give that website out, please.
www.hhvc.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Douglas Jamison of Harris & Harris Group, Inc., a publicly traded company on NASDAQ, TINY. Doug, thanks for coming on SNN Live.
Thank you. Pleasure.
You're quite welcome.